So let's talk about one more property of this graph. If I zoom right out, whatever value I set for my A, the graph always goes very close to this axis. But if you zoom right into that axis, let's go y going from minus 1 up to 1. Even when this is 1, I'm zoomed right in, it's getting closer and closer and closer. And I can zoom in and in and in and in, and it gets closer and closer, but it never actually quite reaches a y value of 0. And we can go as far down as we feel like going. We'll never actually reach that line. So there's a special name for that kind of line on a graph. It's called an asymptote. An asymptote, it's got a funny spelling with a P in it. An asymptote is a line that the curve of the graph approaches but never quite reaches. So here, y equals 0 is an asymptote for all those exponential graphs. You might be tempted to ask, isn't there an asymptote here? And the answer is no, because whatever x I give you, I can give you another y, and it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger, but it's always growing. There is actually a value of this graph, even at x equals 200. It's just that it's a really big number. So it's not an asymptote here, but it is for the horizontal asymptote. The horizontal line y equals 0 is an asymptote for the exponential graphs.